Yes, I'm Roman, and today I have an exciting video for you. A super exciting video. I will be trying the French Cheese Maroilles. If you do not know what this is, I'll tell you about it a little bit. Maroilles is principally known in the region of, in the north of France. It's mainly known in the north of France, and it is known to be a sort of, let's say, traditional cheese that almost everyone knows about. In fact, if we were to watch the French movie Bienvenue chez les Ch'tis, and the Ch'tis are people in the north of France, then this cheese played an integral role in the film. So, quite seriously now, this is one of the most popular, if not the most popular cheese here in the north of France, and you cannot live in the north of France or visit the north of France and not try this cheese. And lastly, it is known, or it is said to be, the king of pungent cheese, or cheeses. And honestly, I don't know if I can handle it. I've been told that it's a super good cheese. However, it stinks. I don't know if I'll die, or I don't know if I'll vomit. So I have my vomit bag here. I have bread here because I hear it's good for bread. And I have jam here.
So if I can't handle the taste, by eating this, it will help to get the bad taste out of my mouth.
Oh, I can smell the thing through the box. I can smell it through the box. It's a little bit funky, but not super funky. It still smells funky. I'm also nervous because of what people told me beforehand. You know, sometimes, let's use a school context. You know, sometimes before you meet a student, if all the teachers were to say, oh, this is a terrible student, then you sort of meet the student with these preconceived expectations. And so almost anything the student do, you will perceive the student as being bad. So it's the same here. I perceive every order as being terrible, and that's maybe because of the bias that I've got from the comments of others. Oh! Mm. let's try that again. Oh! Oh my god. You know that they say it's a very bad habit to smell your food before you eat it, but oh my. Oof. Let's try and cut it. Alright, I hope you can see it because I'm not seeing the camera. Alright. When I cut it, this is what inside looks like. I'll try the cheese by itself and then with the bread. Mm. Alright. Here it is. With the bread. And here it's alone. Oh. To be honest, upon initially tasting the cheese, it didn't taste as bad as it smells. And the first taste, it was, oh wow, this is so soft, it's such a mild taste. But then as I started to taste it more, digest it, or as it circulated more in my mouth, it's almost as if the inside of my mouth could also smell the taste, if that makes any sense. And then it gave me this sort of sensation, not to vomit, but to spit it out. So I spat out most of it, and what was left in my mouth, I tried to swallow it, and it was okay. It's not as bad as I thought. And I think one of the major obstacles today was that I had this preconceived notion in my mind of what it would taste like. And I believe that that hindered me from actually enjoying the taste. Because I think it's a cheese I could learn to like. Would I buy it again? No. Would I try it again? Probably not. But I think the bias I had was coming here with the negative opinions others gave, but it's an okay cheese. It's okay. I don't hate it. Well, that is all for today. I would, you know what? No, it's a stink. Oh, hold on. You know what? I think I can do this. I can do this. Hold on. I can do this damn thing. I can do this. Hold on. Give me some bread and I'll do it. You know what? I am doing this for the experience. And it's the same as if I were to have someone try something Jamaican. I'd want them to give it a chance. Voila. I'm just imagining myself fainting or throwing up. It's okay. It's okay, but I still have this mental aversion from eating it, so unfortunately I will not finish it. But it's okay. I definitely agree that it's okay. I will not cut this video nor edit it too much, that way you can see that my reactions are in fact authentic. Anyways, that is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking, subscribing, sharing, and leaving a comment. And if there's some things that you'd like me to try, just let me know, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.